What's up, people? My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you once again for tuning into this amazing video. Guys, today I will be making a special video about the price action of Chainlink. I think we are seeing something very, very interesting today, and I do think I have right now a possibility to make some very insane gains. So, guys, in this video, I will be discussing why I think that Chainlink is heading towards $100 in just a matter of a month. Also, we'll be discussing of course, the reasons why I do think so. I will be going into to the Chainlink compared to Ethereum chart, the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart, and of course also the US dollar chart. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to smash up that like button already. Make sure to ask me anything in the comment section. And if you have some other projects that maybe are also very interesting, make sure to let me know right now in the comment section, because then I can definitely look into it. So guys, let's go right away into this video. So let's start off for the Chainlink compared to US dollar chart, and why I believe that we're probably going to set some more new all-time highs anytime soon here, and also why the momentum is right now moving to the upside. So first of all, you can see here previously on the 18th of February we were creating a new all-time high for Chainlink, and after that we saw a big blind share. Of course, Bitcoin was reversing by then, and it was of course also dragging the Chainlink price along it. So Chainlink was consolidating and slowly going in an uptrend, but not very rapid. Just like other coins like ADA and some other projects were performing way better, and we were all thinking, okay, is Chainlink about to die? Is Chainlink about to do absolutely nothing? But no, Chainlink is of course still looking particularly good. It was just consolidating. So that was very exciting to see. Right now also seeing a new all-time high getting created for the price section of Chainlink. And also what we currently can see, guys, is that we are crushing through the all-time high just a few hours ago, of course, and that we are retesting it with the 4-hourly candle perfectly. We retested it with a big wick on the lower side right away, flipped it into the green. So this is already particularly looking very good in my opinion. So let's see where it is heading towards. But I definitely feel that it can be moving higher, because also having a previous retest of the all-time high, it is just looking very good. So if you flip it to the daily candles, guys, you can even also see some kind of a W structure. So you can see a W structure playing out. You can see a W printed over here. So what you want to be seeing, in my opinion, if you really want to get a good entry, and I will be in the end of the video, I will be talking about my best entry target price, because I do believe that we are having that we are in need of a retest before really flipping to new all-time highs. But in general, these patterns are looking particularly good here. And also, if you look to the W structure, if you look for a breakout, this can be pushing the price towards the $55. But the $55 is not even close towards the $100. And of course, guys, we also can see Bitcoin setting new all-time highs. And early in the streams today, I already was telling all the viewers, guys, once Bitcoin is setting new all-time highs, it will be dragging the market along it. And I do believe that Bitcoin is going to create a leg towards the 70/80K here in this coming days, coming weeks. And if it's going to do so, it will be definitely dragging these alts along it. And then you want to be looking at some alts that will be giving you more returns than Bitcoin. And talking about these alts, I definitely think that Chainlink is one of them. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if you look to the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart, guys, this is a chart that is making me feel very exciting. This is the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. And this chart usually moves in pretty nice waves. So you can see wave to the upside got started here. Chainlink is just looking around the corner. 2017 got launched in a bull run. So that was very exciting to see. But it was not really gaining a lot compared to Bitcoin. But since here you can see parabolic run up got started, and after that it of course cooled off, because a coin can't go up in a straight line, and it can't just happen. So after such a huge run-up, you are going to see some consolidation, and you are going to see a continuation pattern getting created. So what you currently can see in front of your screen is a symmetrical triangle on the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. And I really like to look at the Bitcoin comparisons. If I'm talking about some altcoins, I like to look at these charts, because this chart is, of course, giving me an idea if I can better be off with Bitcoin than with Chainlink. So at the moment, it is giving us a sign that we're trading against resistance, and that we are getting rejected multiple times, and that we're basically still on a downtrend. But yeah, also it looks like that we're right now reversing, because we're setting in higher lows. So this is already a good thing to see here. It looks like the market is reversing, and of course we are having multiple touch points on the lower side, multiple touch points on the downside. So this is right now forming a symmetrical triangle, and symmetrical triangles are usually bullish bias patterns. But yeah, we are coming into this pattern from a move to the downside, and that is, of course, a little bit concerning. But I do know, because if you look to previous price action in previous bull runs, always near the end, or always once we're developing very quickly in the bull market, you can see altcoins are gaining more than Bitcoin. And I do think we're going to do the same here. And I do think that Chainlink is an asset that will be absolutely blasting off to the upside. And guys, if we're going to crush through this resistance line, we're going to see a very nice breakout. And I do believe that we can be getting this breakout anytime soon here. And I do believe that we can already see it today, because if you zoom in here, we're still fighting against this level, but the breakout can be here anytime soon here. So make sure to also keep an eye out on this chart, because once seeing a breakout, it can go up very quickly, because the breakout target can be pushing the price of Chainlink approximately towards 81%. And As you can see here on the top right of the screen, you can see it will be worth a 0.00102 of a Bitcoin. And if you look at the valuation to Bitcoin, was it sitting around 100k, and it is worth 0.01 Bitcoin. It is worth $100. So I do think we're going to see this breakout to the upside getting created. And if Bitcoin is going to show the follow through as well, we're definitely going to see very quick spikes in prices. And the reason why I'm saying this, and I do think that we even can go higher, because usually it moves in waves, and it can be going even way higher. So definitely worth to check out, and definitely worth to look at, because if you're going to see a breakout from off this level, I do think it will be giving you a very good opportunity, and I will be definitely trading it as well. And I will be going into the trading setup in a second, guys, because first I want to be discussing the price chart of Chainlink compared to Ethereum, because the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart is not the only chart that you do want to be looking at. You also want to be looking for the Chainlink compared to Ethereum chart. So if you look to the Chainlink compared to Ethereum chart, you can see we're right now forming a pretty stealth downtrend here. We're forming a downsloping resistance line, but guys, you have to know it. The more times we're testing certain levels of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to crash through these levels. So I am absolutely looking forward to it. Let's see what we are going to do here, because I do think we're going to see a breakout as well for this chart. And this is basically very exciting, because if you look to this chart over here, you can see that we're probably going to see an imminent breakout, because we don't have a lot of time left before really reaching the apex. I do think we're going to see a breakout even today or tomorrow. I do think it's very bullish for the altcoins at the moment. I think it's looking particularly good, and you can see also today we're gaining already for there's so many coins that are massively in the green. You can see Dogecoin, you can see ADA, all kinds of coins are blasting off to the upside. But guys, you want to be at a coin that haven't exploded yet, and this is right now providing you the opportunity. It is absolutely looking bullish compared to Ethereum. It's absolutely looking bullish compared to Bitcoin. Guys, what are you going to do? Are you going to wait on the sidelines? You can definitely do so, but it's not my strategy. So if you really want to be entering this one on the US dollar chart, because getting an entry on this one, it would be also important. So first of all, there are two things that you can be doing. You can be spot trading it, you can be buying it, you can be sitting on it for a month, and you can be making approximately a 2 or 3x from here on. So that is of course very lovely to do here, because in the end of the day we are here to make some gains. So if you want to do so, definitely a good opportunity. But if you want to be trading, I will be trading it on Femex. You can already sign up here with the link in the description. You can also sign up with Bybit if you want to use the Bybit referral link. So you can be trading it, and that will be my strategy. But what will your entry price be for trading, and what will be the strategy for trading? So I will be using, once again, my own strategy, and usually my strategy is working particularly good here on the channel. Also, today we already did some live trades here, but of course, guys, I want to be benefiting from this market cycle. I want to be benefiting most from it, and that's the reason why I'm right now looking to accumulate also this position on Chainlink. So what you're seeing with Chainlink, and what my opportunity will be doing here is, let me set up this long opportunity here. So what I will be doing here is opening a long position once reaching the 34.7 cents here. So sorry, $34.70. So $34.70 is my entry target. And once they're getting that entry filled, you can see it is having the retest of the W structure. Definitely lovely to see. Having the retest of the highest daily candle closes, previous highest daily candle closes, of course. So this is definitely a thing that you do want to be entering, definitely a place that you do want to be entering here. And of course, I will be only using an 8 to 10x approximately with my leverage. Of course, it really depends on your own financial situation. But what my strategy will be as well here is, if we're going to drop off, guys, because I definitely believe that we can be seeing new all-time highs getting created. If we are going to drop off, I will be adding more and more to my position. So let's say I'm using a 5x here. Let's say I'm using a 5x here. I will be definitely adding more to my position once reaching the 8% and the loss. So, of course, I will be using a stop loss as well. But I do think adding more to my position is a very good thing here, because then we can expand the position. And it's also a strategy that I use a lot here, because, yeah, the market sentiment is to the upside here. So, in the end of the day, I want to be making bigger and bigger positions once we're dropping off, guys. Because in the end of the day, once we are having a drop off, it's imminent to see a move to the upside getting created as well here. So, if you look to the potential reward, if we're heading really towards the $100, guys, and I definitely think this $100 target can be reached here in maybe 1 to 2 months here. It can be reached very quickly, and that is the reason why I'm getting on board already. And I'm hugely exposed to Chainlink already. I bought it at $2, like you guys already know on the channel. Already doing an insane good job here. So yeah, going to write this as, of course, with my holding position as well towards $100. But if you're trading this, guys, this is a 188% trade. Absolutely insane. I'm not necessarily saying that we're going up in a straight line. I know for sure that we're not going to do so, and there will be a lot of profit taking along the way coming out here. But I do think the coming days can be absolutely exponential for the price action of Chainlink. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're going to see a $50 Chainlink in just a matter of 5 or 6 days, guys. And I'm not even kidding; it can go up very quickly. So make sure to get on board on Chainlink. This was a video that I quickly want to be making, guys. But make sure to make your own strategy as well with trading. But definitely, if you don't want to be trading, make sure to get it in your holding position, because you will be making insane gains here. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this quick update here on the price section of Chainlink. I feel very excited by the price chart, and hopefully you're going to make some very good gains, guys. And I will be seeing you later back in another stream on the channel. So guys, make sure to get exposed to Chainlink. There's no financial advice. Always do your own research, and peace out. Goodbye.